Hey guys, in this video we will see how to install the AOKP ROM for the Samsung Galaxy S3, and I have the AT&T version with me right now. What you need to do first is download the AOKP JellyBean ROM file, and I have the 12th September build, so you want to copy it. And I'm using a PC, and so go to the phone and make sure your phone is connected via USB. So you have two options here. You can copy it over to the external SD card or internal SD card. I'm gonna go ahead and copy it over to the internal SD card because some versions of the Clockwork Recovery are not able to see the external SD card. So yeah, I'm right now copying it over to the internal SD card, which is just phone drive of the phone. Yeah, and also make sure you have the Google Apps. This is necessary for either the CyanogenMod build or the AOKP build. After you flash the ROM file, you will need to flash the Google Apps. So just make sure you have the Google Apps. This is the 726 JellyBean version of the Google Apps. And also you have the AOKP ROM file onto your phone. And the next step is on the phone itself. So on the phone, what you need to do is you need to power off the phone first. And yeah, let's go ahead and power off the phone. And you need to volume up, power, and hold down the menu key. Volume up, power, and menu key, just for a couple of seconds until the Samsung screen flashes up. Yeah, and you let go of the buttons, and you need to be able to see the Clockwork Recovery, the phone booting into the recovery mode. And yep, there you go. The Clockwork Recovery, I have the version 6.0.1.1 6011. That's my version. And when on the Clockwork Recovery, the first step I would suggest all of the people is to back up your current ROM, and just to make sure, if something goes wrong, you have always a ROM which you can go back to, which has all your data stored. So after doing that, I've already done it, so I'm not doing it right now. You need to go to the wipe data or factory reset and select yes, delete all user data. And this process takes a couple of seconds, and after that you should be done. Yeah, looks like it's done. So next thing, you need to wipe the cache. So wipe the select wipe cache partition, and yes, select yes, and it should be done. It's done right away. And next thing is to wipe the Dalvik cache. So select the wipe Dalvik cache option in advanced option. So yeah, select yes, wipe Dalvik cache, and yeah, it's done. All of these processes are really small, and there's one additional step which is usually preferred in AOKP ROMs, and that is to go under mounts and storage. So go under mounts and storage, and select format data option, and this is the specific option which is necessary for the AOKP build ROMs. So yeah, select that. It should be done pretty quick. Now go back. So 4 options in total. Now choose zip from SD card, and now go ahead and scroll down to the ROM file which you have copied, AOKP/JellyBean blah blah blah, and select yes, and it should take around 10 to 15 seconds to install this ROM. Let's wait until it gets installed. Yeah, looks like it's installed. Now the second procedure is to install the Google Apps. Always install the Google Apps. So scroll all the way down to the Google Apps. It's for JellyBean 7.26 version. Select it. Now double check it. Click on yes, and you should be installing the Google Apps right away. You can see Google Apps for Android version 4.1.1. Yep, it's complete. So yeah, go back and you can now select reboot system now option, and you should be right away into the AOKP ROM. So select the reboot system now option. Using the power button, select it. Now the phone should be rebooting in the AOKP ROM, and you see the Galaxy S3 logo, and yeah, you see the new pink scroll, the gears and going on. This is the new AOKP boot animation. Looks okay except for the colors. Not a big fan of pink, but yeah, it looks okay. Looks cool. It says initiating Swagger. And this is one of my favorite ROMs out there for the Galaxy S3. The other favorite would be the Cyanogen mod. The AOKP has a couple of extra options built into Cyanogen mod, and some of the options are missing too. And yeah, so let's click on start, and I'll go ahead and enter my Google account. And okay guys, so it says restoring, and it would be restoring all your contacts and apps, app related data, what all apps should be installed and all that things. So I'm right now on the HSPA Plus, I guess, not LTE. I don't have LTE in my area, so this is gonna take a little bit long. And yeah, as soon as it's done, it should say what all things to be done next. Yeah, just select the two options, click on next, and yeah, it says setup is complete. Your phone is ready to use. Yeah, just click on finish, and you'll be given an option to select the launcher. I'm gonna select the default ICS, or sorry, the JellyBean launcher. And yeah, you can see the AOSP look going on. And yeah, I hate these things, help options. Okay, so you have all the basic apps installed. Yeah, one new thing I'm noticing is the AOKP OTA updater. Maybe this is a new thing which will allow you to update over the air. Yeah, yep, that's all for this video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos. And yeah.